Hello dear students, myself Swati Putane. Welcome to grammar class. Today we are going to learn new lesson doing words. What is a doing words? A word that tell us what a person, animal or thing does is called a doing words. Doing words are also called a action words. For example, write, bake, sing. Here, these words are show some actions. A doing word sometimes ends with s. For example, writes, bakes, sings. Students, remember that the s is only added to regular verbs in the present tense when the subject of the verb is a third person singular. Okay, and do not add s if the subject is a plural. Let us see some examples. See, Priya plays the piano. What Priya doing? Priya plays the piano. Here Priya is a third person singular. That's why we added the s in the verb. See the next example. The cat sleeps on the pillow. Here it is the cat is third person. And what the cat doing? Cat sleeps. The cat is a third person singular. That's why we added the s in the verb. See next example. Tina and Rina talk to each other daily. In this sentence, Tina and Rina, this subject is a plural. That's why we do not add s in the verb. We swim in the pool. In this sentence, subject is a plural. That's why we do not add s in the verb. Here, remember that when the subject is a plural, we do not add s, and subject is a singular, we added the s in the verb. Here students, now we are going to solve some questions. Color the doing words in each row with a green crayon. Here students, we should find out the doing words and color with the green crayon. See the first line. Pot, smiles, sings, doctor. From this four word, there is a pot is a thing and doctor is a person, and smiles and sings, that both word are show some actions. It means that is a doing words. So we will color these two boxes with a green crayon. Okay, see the next line. Hood, swings, scolds and talks. Hood is a thing, swings, scolds and talks. These three words show some actions. It means that is a doing words. So we will color these three boxes with a green crayon. Okay, see the next line. Speaks, looks, scents, orange. From this four word, orange is a fruit and speaks, looks, scents. These three words are show some actions. It means that is a doing words. We will color these three boxes with a green crayon. Okay. See the next line. Barks, pan, laughs, curds. From this four word, pan is a thing and barks, laughs and curds. These three words are the show some actions. It means that is a doing words. We will color that boxes with a green crayon. Okay. See next. Climbs, fights, crayon, paints. From this four word, crayon is a thing and climbs, fights, paints. These three words are show some actions. It means that is a doing words. So we will color these three boxes with green crayon. Okay, now we will see the next question. Okay, see the second number question. Look at the pictures given below. Fill in the blanks with the correct doing word using the add as form. Okay, one has been done for you. You can see the first question is already done for you. Paints. So we will find out what is a doing here, what is the action here, and we will write the answer. Okay, what the girl doing here? She dances. So first answer, dances. Okay. She, what the girl doing here? She rides. Okay. See, what boy doing here? He sings. See, last. What the girl doing here? She eats. Okay. See the next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct doing word from the boxes. Here you can see some options given in these boxes: brush, wake, play, cook, eat. We have to choose correct doing word for the blanks. The first question is I dash up in the morning. What we do in the morning? We wake up in the morning. So first answer, wake up. See the B number question. I dash my teeth. What we do with our teeth? Brush. So answer is here. I brush my teeth. See the C number question. I help mother dash breakfast. So what the correct answer here? Yes, cook. I help mother cook breakfast. See the D number. I dash breakfast with my family. What the correct answer here? Yes, I eat breakfast with my family. See the last question. I dash with my dog. What the correct answer here? Yes, I play with my dog. See the next question. Fill in the blank, choose the correct doing word from the brackets. You can see in the bracket there is a two options given here. We have to choose the correct option for the blank. Okay. See the first number, birds dash in the sky. Here it is a subject is a plural. So we do not, we write the here singular verb. So we write here fly. Here you can see the next question. The sun dash. Sun is a singular. So what we write the answer? Shines. The sun shines. Okay, see. My friend dash bananas. So what the correct answer here? My friend like bananas. Okay. See D number. Cows dash grass. So here it is which answer correct? Cows eat grass. See the last question. Sarah dash the guitar. Sarah plays the guitar. Okay. I hope everyone understand this lesson.